Kasarkar Jila Kelarai bermeng kam Shipor di Kipulit Kibasyak Thambor hinin kasingi Hamawlai Maukunro Kibala no Kitiar Set Bat Phet Kerat Yaladi Habakrim Tangasingi Menteri Rambak Jila Ukonrat Kisangma Ulong Bakidon Sangut Kipulit Kibala Syak Thambor hinin kasingi Hakaba Laingot Nakini Kila no Kitiar Set Bat Phet Kerat Yaladi Kadba Weipat Ulara Lang Ya Kitiar Baudon Hinin kasingi Shikinhon Kibriu Kibamla Benitho Kila Thambor Yakawe Kali Pulit Hamawlai Maukunro Au Pos Badhakte kijing thambor kibreu melaka derkmat bhai ladi kelakni ya kakali Scorpio balapunan kam lagi pulit ringkat kisoloi laitli badhadin yakni kakali kelalai bantang hajayau Chapel Road ukanrat ulong bahalor kate kijing jana kaliang sarkar kelathung ya kakunhun dokin hakabau la pendikanaru baya ki laingot ki pulit kibelai ya kitiar siat ka sarkar kelaweng kam Shipor Hagu juga por menteri rangbau la kentu ya kibreu kibara ya kitiar siat jeng kipulit baki deben penpai no mardor Menteri Rangbau la keren syairu bakaan kan map ikibreu ke badan keti hak te jingja laki de kipulit ke basim sting ya kakam ni ya kirunar ke bla ale thambor but la kentur ki pajba no sing makin penne ya kasuk asan.
That particular incident that took place is completely unacceptable by the government, and the officials and the police who were involved in where they deserted at that moment their weapon already are under suspension, and we are putting up an inquiry against those individuals. For a police, the arms and the weapons they carry are as good as part of their body. They should never ever let go of their weapon. So what happened yesterday was unacceptable, whether it's from the police personnel who were present out there, or whether it was from the individuals who had taken them. So therefore, we are very firm on this, and we will take firm action on this. And all those people who are involved and who may have this are asked to immediately give back those weapons. I don't have the exact number with me right now, or I will tell you what the number is, but I will stand corrected in case the number is not what I have. But there were 4 of them. Out of the 4, 1 went away with his weapon, and 3 did not. So out of these 3 and 1, exactly the number that are there, 3 for sure, but the 4th one may not be because he went away with his weapon. But still, an inquiry will be done to ensure that everything is clarified. But there were total 4 of them. These kind of activities are meaningless. I just want to say that. We are here trying to work together to resolve all these kind of issues. And whatever has happened in the past, you will see that different kind of elements have tried to create unrest. So my appeal to all the citizens of the state, and especially people who are getting involved in these kind of activities, that this is not the way forward. I appeal to everybody that they must be peaceful. We must try to resolve these issues in a proper manner, and violence is not the way forward. So therefore, we condemn it. And obviously, we will be finding the people who are responsible for this also. But at the same time, I appeal to everybody that at this point in time, we need to maintain peace in the city and the state.